tastes like original, guys.
So guys, today, please join me and let's make Longaniza or Filipino sausage. Everybody has their own recipe of this Filipino sausage, but my ingredients are my choices. So please don't be mad at me if I did not follow your recipe, because I have my own taste and this is my recipe of my version of Longaniza. Okay, so let's do it, guys. Anyway, this is my first time to do Longaniza. I did before but skinless Longaniza, but this is different. Stay tuned, guys. Let's make Longaniza. So guys, here are my ingredients of my version of Longaniza or Filipino sausage. I have here 4 cloves garlic, onion, and black pepper. I'm going to put this later or process this later in my handy dandy manual food processor to make them fine. And we also have here sugar. It is 1/4 cup sugar, and also have here atsuete or lipstick tree seeds. So this is only for the color. It's not so, there's not a lot of flavor in it. And this is a chopped bay leaf. Bay leaf is a little bit hard, that's why I chopped it and put in the oil together with the lipstick tree seeds. So yeah, that's for the color. And anyway, if you don't have this atsuete, you can also use curcuma. Curcuma is this yellow ginger. And I have here 2 kilos of ground pork, and I also have here 1 kilo of pork belly chopped, manually chopped, so that our sausage have its texture, because this ground pork are too fine. That's why we need a little bit texture in it, so that it will not gonna be so dry in texture. So yeah, I've chopped this myself, small as possible. Yeah, again, here are our ingredients. If you have question about my ingredients, please ask on the comment below. So, anyway, we have salt also, and we also need paprika powder, or this is a sweet chili pepper powder. This is not spicy, that is only sweet. And we are gonna process our onion, garlic. So what I want with this manual food processor is it's easy to clean, it's easy to use, because the electronic food processor is too messy, lots of work, lots to clean, the blades and everything. So that's why I love to use this than my big machine. So see, that's enough. They are already fine enough. I mean, the garlic and the onions. So let's set this aside. And what we are going to do next is mix our meat and the rest of the ingredients. So First, I'm gonna put this coarsely chopped pork and the onion and the garlic. But anyway, you can put all the ingredients together. Must not be in step by step as I doing this. You can put first the color, you can put first the pepper. It's up to you how you do it. So, and the paprika powder or the sweet chili pepper powder, that's also for the color, a little bit flavor. And now I'm going to put this ground pork from the supermarket, and this is so fine, super fine, because it's processed in with a machine. So, and then we massage the atsuete or the lipstick tree seeds with the oil. Ooh. So I'm trying to squeeze the oil out of it, but I think it's not enough. Adding oil is okay, because I think putting oil in these atsuete seeds is better than water. The color from the seed mix well together with oil. So let's mix, guys. This is a long process with mixing, muscle pains and things. When I'm not make this video fast, it will around 25 minutes of mixing, so you're gonna bored if I let it 25 minutes only for mixing. So it's better that I fast forward. So it's finished, guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put in container so that they will stay in the refrigerator overnight, because the time now is already late. That's why. But it is better anyway to put the meat in the refrigerator overnight for curing, so that the salt, the flavor will gonna incorporated with the meat. And tomorrow we are going to make the actual Longaniza. So please watch for it. Then see you tomorrow, guys. So guys, today is the day after yesterday. So today we are going to make the actual sausage or the Longaniza. Yeah, here are the Longaniza mixture, and here is our or my sausage machine, manual sausage machine. So here is the actual pig's intestine or our sausage casing. It was in salt, lots of salt, but I washed it many times, and now it's still in water. So let's drain it. And here, what I found out, guys, is it is easier to put here in the machine if it is oily. So done putting it, the first batch. So let's try it. Oh, but I'm going to put here I'm gonna tie this part so that the meat will not gonna come. So I'm gonna tie it with I don't know what do you call this one, garn, food garn. I don't know. No, garn, it's not garn, it's German. Food yarn or thread, I don't know, I'm sorry, my English is so let's turn it like that so that it will gonna close the ends before the next sausage. So at first, guys, it's not easy to do it without machine, or at least automatic machine. So I must push and screw and turn. But anyways, this is my first time, and I should practice more so that the next time I'm aware of everything. So while I'm doing this, it becomes easier and easier. But of course, with a automatic machine, it's better, I think. It's faster than this. I must refill this sausage machine after few sausages. So it's a little bit lot of works, but anyway, I'm so excited about it, how it tastes like, because this is as I've said, this is my first time to do Longaniza, or sausage with the casing. And now I'm gonna cut thread for tying the both ends of the sausage. So this, I'm not sure how to tie it, but what is important is they will gonna tie. So I just roll my thread here and then remove and then cut it so that it's somehow equal sizes. So just like that, and let's try to tie it. I'm not expert with it, but I do what I can. So it's finished. I still have here a little bit more, and yeah, see you at the cooking time. So guys, here it is. Let's cook the Longaniza. Are you too excited? I'm excited what it tastes like. My first Longaniza ever, or my first sausage ever. So as you can see from my ingredients, there's sugar, so it should be a little bit sweet. Yeah, maybe next time I'm gonna experiment with other flavor and so, but of course this is the first time, and let's see how it tastes like. So as you can see, I put water, and that's the way we cook Longaniza or sausage in the Philippines. So let's wait till the water drained, and yeah, can also turn those sausage so that it they will equally cooked. So turning. So I didn't separate them because I'm afraid that they will, the end will gonna explode or something like that. So it is better later to remove the yarns. between them. So let's wait till the water reduced. So let's cover it again and wait for several moments. Anyway, my skillet is in high temperature, so this time the water is a little bit less than before, and then this is the time that I want to poke those sausages. The reason being is I want that the oil comes out from the sausages, so that that we're gonna fry the whole things later on. So we must not put oil later. Instead, they will fry with their own fats. So see, now it's there's no water anymore. That is only fat, and see, it's a little bit brown because it's frying when it's frying with its own oil or fat. So let's just cook here until they become brown. So I think this is already done, and the taste test will follow, guys. So watch for the taste test. Are you excited? So I'm gonna put here, it's a little bit so messy, or lots of colorful thing because of the atsuete. So anyway, I'm removing the thread or the yarn. So guys, let's eat brunch. So my husband also eat Longaniza. So guys, let's eat. This is the first time that I eat Longaniza or Philippine sausage in Germany. Let's taste it. I hope it tastes good. So,
Oh, it tastes like original, guys. Believe me, it tastes like the original sweet Longaniza in the Philippines. But there's a lot of work doing Longaniza, but it tastes good. Tastes like the original. I can also say better than the original. So again. I also have here the soy sauce, garlic, and in vinegar for dipping, and it's also tastes good together. So guys, so that was it. I hope you can also do your own Longaniza or your own Philippine sausage soon. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and shout out to all of you, to all my friends out there, my family in the Philippines. If you happen to watch this video, shout out to you. I hope you are all healthy. If you like, you can also subscribe to my channel. Please click the ring the bell button so that you can see if I have new videos, new uploads. So again, thank you very much for watching. I'm Lauren. God bless you all. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.